I'm sitting with my ex and we talking about the present. I smoked until I spilled the truth and told every confession. I'm hella glad I did it, not an ounce of me regret it. But I'm just hella scared where it's going, where's it's headed. You don't believe my compliments, baby, have some confidence. I tell you that you're beautiful and baby, you just not convinced. Try and stay positive, I'll be a man, I'm not a kid. Your last guy was, man, he probably love a box of tricks. Hey, but fuck that silly little rabbit. My ex was concerned with fashion, relationship never fastened. I only cared about action, but baby, forget my past chicks. I burn my stress, you can see it in the ashes. Is it love or toleration? What's our destination? Is it love or just lust that we face with? Is it right to keep you waiting? I thank you for your patience, but like Michael Myers and Jason, girl, I'ma chase it. I'm talking about your heart.